this video, I'm gonna show you a secret tool that has allowed me to generate hundreds of thousands of dollars over the last few months, and nobody is talking about this tool. This tool is called GMGN, and I'm gonna show you exactly how you can use it to profit from this crazy volume that we are getting in meme coins. So let's jump straight in. So this is how I use GMGN to help my trading every single day. So guys, as you know, meme coins are absolutely going crazy right now. And for you to be able to profit from this industry, you need good tools. You need to be getting in projects fast. You need to be seeing the information fast and clear. And platforms like GMGN helps you with your daily meme coin trading. So first of all, guys, you have a trending side. On the trending side, you can see what's trending and also what has a lot of volume. What I like to do, I like to look at the trending of 1 hour. So this shows me within the last hour what tokens are gaining volume. Remember guys, we are scalping, and to scalp and make profit, you need to scalp in volume. So first of all, I want to do age as well. So I'm gonna look at the age, the one that is launched the earliest. And then also, now I want to see the 1 hour volume. So look at this now, $13 million volume. So I wanna have a good investigation on this token, but it's 28 days. Okay, so let's put it back to 2. And I will go down here for the volume, 3 million volume. All right, and it's only launched 21 minutes ago. So I'm gonna click on, and now I'm gonna do investigation on the charts. I always like to look at market cap, guys. Market cap shows you everything. Now you just know that this is obviously bundled, and this is a rug and a bundle. So we'll click off this one, and we'll continue to go down and look for something with more volume. So we go down, 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 down until we find something with good volume and it isn't a bundle. We'll keep going down. Let's have a look. 4 hours ago, this one. All right, messy. 4 hours ago, let's do some investigations. As you can see, guys, it is a bundle. If you see these candles going all the way up out here, that is a bundle. So let's continue to have a look. So I'll keep doing this, guys, until I find something with a bit of volume and not a bundle. Let's just take, okay, this is a crazy chart. So just put on the 1 second, and definitely a bundle. So let's keep going. Here we go. So look at this one. I see has 1 million liquidity, 6 million volume, and we want to check all the rest of the stats, and we're going to investigate a lot more. So we'll go on to it. We see it's still holding 6 million market cap. Chart's looking very strong. Let's put it onto the 1 minute and look at this very healthy chart. You can tell that this had a big spike here from maybe a KOL or an insider wallet buying, and it has brought the price up to 7 mil. And so for me now, I will be potentially looking for a position in this coin after I've done my research. I love the fact that you can see the socials. You can go into the Twitter. Also, you can check on SoulScan to look and dive deeper into how legit is the contract. But if you check everything here, I love GMGN, which it shows you everything, all the information you need to know about the project. So let's go and check in. It's no minted. So you want this to say yes, no, you can't mint. Mint means that they can mint extra tokens. Make sure that this says yes. A blacklist, this says no. So that means it cannot blacklist any wallets. You don't want to be able to blacklist wallets. Burnt is 100%. This means the liquidity is burnt, so the project cannot rug the token. Top 10 people own 12% of the supply. This is very good. We want this to be below 25. The lower 25% is the better. 15,000 holders, guys. That means that 15,000 people hold this token. So you have a lot of community members, right? Now we found our token. This is something that I potentially would scalp, guys. So I don't want to start talking about scalping in this video, but I want to show you some other great features that GMGN have got that I use on a daily basis to make money. I love their copy trading section, guys. So this is how you can find good copy traders to trade. So what we're looking for is someone with a high win rate, a high P&L, and there's some things that we need to also check, guys. We need to check that their total P&L is in profit, okay? Because if this is not profit and this is minus, then that means that yes, they got 100% win rate, but they don't sell the tokens. So that's why they're on 100% win rate. And it shows you here the total P&L is their actual profit and loss. We look here, we want this back green to be more than the red. All right. This is going to give you a brief understanding, but this could be just one lucky play here. So we need to go down and investigate. All right. But here as well, here we want to see if they are a trench trader, meaning are they in and out of projects, or are they more long term? So basically, this shows you how long they're in the coin for. Are they in the coin for less than 10 seconds or more on average? So this is good. So this shows they're not a trench because they're not in coins for less than 10 seconds. Okay, so let's have a look at their trades. So this trader, he bought 2 days ago, he bought one time Korea at 111K. He then at 10 billion. Okay, to me, this is not right. That is a lot of tokens. So this obviously is a dev. So this is obviously a dev account, maybe rugs. All right, so I would go on to another wallet. So this is what we do. We keep going down and we keep looking for these wallets until we find something that hits our criteria. To be honest with you, as soon as we kind of see this P&L, we know that it's something's wrong here, because that's a lot to be up. And to never lose, definitely something that we need to be careful for. So we're going to keep going down here until we find a good wallet. And then I'll show you what a good wallet looks like. This is what you call a perfect wallet, guys. I believe that this is a insider wallet. Look at the P&L. The last 7 days, the P&L is 117%. And the win rate is 63%. We're looking for anything over 55%. Unrealized profit total is 21 million. It's down 1 million in the last 7 days, but it's still up 21 million. All this fits my criteria. So now we're going to investigate. Look, he put in $2,000. He got at 4,000. He doubled. Here, again, he was up 34K. We go down, Libra coin, he was up over $1 million or two. And if you can see, I guarantee you, he holds these coins for at least, okay, that one was a bit longer. I guarantee, look at Libra, he bought Libra down here and he didn't sell at least a few minutes, at least half an hour, okay? So he's not like just jumping in and out of these coins. So this is a good wallet. So now what you can do with this wallet, you can copy trade them, okay? Or you can put them as an alert. I will leave the links in the description for you guys to check out. All right, guys, till next time, peace out.